In this video, we are going to see how we can disable or turn off the repost notification in TikTok application. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All we have to do is just click on the bottom right hand corner on your profile icon. And once you see the main interface of your profile, just head over to the top right corner where you see it's 3 lines. Click on that and then just click on settings and privacy. From here, we will choose the notifications option that will be available in any section. You can scroll through it, but right now, by the time you're watching this video, it's under the activity section. Click on that. And from here, you will scroll down a little bit until you see this post suggestions. So personalized post suggestions reposted by others, you're getting notifications about that. So you can toggle that off. And we also click on post from accounts you follow. So these are all the notifications that you can individually manage. And from here, if we uncheck this or we check this, we might still get notifications. So you have to specifically adjust that specific account which you're getting a lot of notifications from when they repost. You just enable or open that account up and click on none. And that is all we have to do. You might have to do each one of them individually, but there are only a couple of accounts that are disturbing because they post regularly. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.